Yes, guys. I'm going to show you 5 fantastic ways of creating your t-shirt mockups real quick. These are quality. These are amazing. I'm going to show you as well a bonus at the end of this one, man. A quick bonus as well at the end of the video. You're going to love it. So check it out, man. But as usual, if you love Etsy products, you love researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And don't forget share, because we love sharing, because knowledge is power and we love that power. Anyways, let's go, man. Yeah, so guys, look, I'm on Etsy right now and I just typed in t-shirts, right? T-shirts are absolutely hugely, massively popular on Etsy. It's an absolute beast in terms of making money. Obviously, if you get the right sub niche, check out my videos on those sub niches. But yeah, no, they're big, man. They are absolutely humongous, man. But yeah, let's get into this madness. So look, let's say you want to create your mockups, right? I'm going to show you a few ways of doing this. Now, even on Etsy, I mean, look, don't forget, you've got to make sure that you represent what you're selling the customer properly. So what you show is what they get. That is the main thing, because you don't want customers to complain about, oh, it doesn't look like the same t-shirt, blah, 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 that kind of thing. You want to make sure that it represents it. So if you're looking at, say, I don't know, a Gildan 5000 t-shirt, right? Then obviously the mock-up has to represent that properly. And that's what I'm trying to say. It needs to look like what it is. But so let's get into this. I mean, even Etsy themselves, I've typed in Gildan 5000 and you can see they actually do have mock-ups themselves. So you could actually buy mock-ups through Etsy, which are the exact spec that you need for your own mockups that you're trying to sell. And yeah, so they sell mockups of specific types of t-shirts, and again, specific types of anything. Look, here's a Gildan 5050 mockups, male mockups, bestseller, boom, 20 plus in a basket, boom. But like I keep saying, look, you know, there has been recent things with regards to Etsy. You need to make sure that you actually represent the t-shirt that you're selling. As I keep saying, it's very, very important, that bit. So, you know, make sure you get the right spec. So one way of doing it is you can actually jump on Canva and get yourself a pack or some nice mock-ups. Look, here's another bestseller, boom. You know, look at the bestsellers, look at the ones that are selling really well, 7 plus in a basket, boom. The thing about the main image for your listing is probably the most important thing. So having your main image listing with your design on it, if it's not going to attract the buyer, then forget it, because that is the best thing you can do to make sure you get the conversion. Even Etsy say that first image is probably the most important thing, because that's the first thing that you see. And that's what I'm trying to say. You got to make sure that your main image attracts. So anyways, one way is through Etsy. Next way I'm going to show you is through AI, man. Midjourney AI, man. Check it out. Now, I wouldn't say this is another interesting way. So I've just jumped on Midjourney. I'm going to do / imagination, imagine, prompt. Now, I did write this earlier, so I'm just going to paste it if it allows me to paste it, man. Right, let me just explain what I wrote. I wrote mock-up photo shoot, smiling 25-year-old white female wearing a white Gildan 5000 t-shirt facing the camera. Now, you can obviously adjust it. If you can adjust what kind of person you want to wear it. So, you know, where I've got the actual details of the age, ethnicity, that stuff can change as well. And I think it's good to get various different types, ethnicities, ages. That also helps. But obviously think about what your market is, who's buying it, right? And then I've specified, right? I put white Gildan 5000 t-shirt facing the camera, man, showing the whole t-shirt, full body with photo shoot, lighting with a Halloween pumpkin. Why pumpkin? Halloween background. Now remember, the beautiful thing about when you do mock-ups, this is a very, 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 very big tip. When you do mock-ups and you're creating, let's say, a design for a t-shirt, have mock-ups for the different times of year, man. So have a mock-up if you're selling in Halloween, selling in Christmas, have a Christmassy background, have a Halloween background, have just a normal background for other times of the year. because it helps sell. Because psychologically, people are thinking Christmas, buying a gift. So they want to see like a nice Christmassy background for the mock-up. Really big tip, guys. So let's say I was going to do this White Gildan 5000 t-shirt mock-up, right? I needed a mock-up for Halloween. Let me click enter. Let me stop talking, man. Let me stop talking and let you lot just see the thing. Right, here's the gold, man. I'm going to show you a nugget right now, but how long is it going to be? This thing's a bit slow today. Oh, let me jump to present. My bad. Jump to the present, man. Let's jump to the present. Okay, so let's give it a little bit of time to do its thing. Okay, wow, it's quick today. It's awake. The laptop's awake today. Check it. Boom. Gildans with that Halloween flavor. Now, it doesn't have to be Halloween, right? It can be anything. That's just giving you an example. Look at these, man. Look at these, man. I'm going to go to increase the size of 1. Let's just say 1. Okay. Look at that. So this is a Gildan mock-up example. T-shirt. Okay. Done. Now that can apply to anything. You can change ethnicity, age, background. But I just did that very quickly. So if you want to like copy my prompt, there you go. Boom. Pause the video. And then, yeah, just make sure that you get what you get. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so here's another one. I got bonus for you at the end as well. Crazy. So the next one is I'm going to look at something called PlaceIt. I'm sure some of you guys know PlaceIt, right? You know, fantastic website, got all kind of mock-ups, got all kinds of designs that you can use and create. Really cool. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It really is cool, mate. So I'm going to search for 5,000. Gildan 5,000. Gildan 5,000, mate. Look, it's already there, mate. It's ready to go. Boom. Let's go. So here you go. Gildan 5,000 mock-ups, right? And then you got all of these. I mean, there's all sorts, you know, from your like, you know, just your kind of flat where you can upload your image to the couples thing to this, you know, there's so many of them. Wait, look, there's pages of them, right? Look at this. Pages and pages of Gildans, right? Look at this. Really cool. Choose any style that you want. Family ones, on a hook ones, on a hanger ones, sitting ones, them ones. Yeah, different ages, different ethnicities. You know what I'm saying? It works, you know, it does work. It's really nice, and you just upload the image. So yeah, there's lots here to check out. So do check out PlaceIt, guys, because they got some cool ones. Right? That's number, what's that, number 2? Is that number 2 or 3? 3 actually, because I went Etsy, I went Midjourney AI, and then I went to PlaceIt. Okay, that's 3. Number 4. Let's go to number 4. Now, actually, those of you that got Canva, guys, you got Canva, right? So I jumped on Canva. Actually, Canva's got some bits, but the one thing I would say though is that they're not specific, man. They're not specific. So look, when you're going to t-shirts, mock-ups, like they got like mock-ups, but they don't specify. Like I can't tell. And some of the mock-ups are, you know, they're okay. Some of them, look, that one's decent, but I can't tell, man. They're just very random t-shirts. I even specified, look, this one's a good one in terms of better photo shoot style, but I don't know for sure. Like, you know, they've actually got a lot. I'll be honest, they got quite a lot, and really cool ones too. They actually got a lot, you know, and different styles as well. You can do that style, or you can do like, you know, with like, let's say you're doing a Valentine's t-shirt and then you put the design on it on a flat table kind of thing, which is quite nice. Sometimes you can have that sort of stuff around it, which is quite good. So they do have a lot. I must say, they do have a lot of different t-shirt mock-ups, right? They've even got the app. Like, yeah, I can use the app. Let me click the app. And then they got these styles where you just literally really coolly upload the design. So let me go to this one. And like, look. So even this is quite cool. Where you can upload the design. Now someone tell me, I don't know, I mean look, I'll just Let me show you this one quickly. It's quite cool as well. So let's say you're going to get your mock-up. Let's say upload a design. Could be anything. Let me put this thing. Let me put this one, mate. And then it just kind of does it itself. It's really good. Look. Boom. Give me the design, mate. Give me the design. There you go. It's there. See it? Right? See it? And you can do it the style that some people have on Etsy like that. So yeah, I mean, look, it can work. But my thing is, like, I just want to make sure that's specific for that type of t-shirt, so that when a customer gets it, they're not, they're happy. It's exactly what it looks like. So yeah, the other one I would go for. What's that now? 4. Right. The other way we got is the probably the best to safest way we call it. What shall we call it? Because this way is like I guess what you would use. So let's say you go in Printify, and most of us, are going to use like Printful, Printify to do the actual mock-ups, or sending out actually the actual t-shirt through them, okay, through Printify. Obviously, now what you can do is there's actually there's a couple of another cool way actually that you could do, which is let's say you're going for t-shirts, right? So let me click t-shirts, and oop, there you go. Got a Gildan 5000, baby. Gildan 5000, man. So this is a Gildan 5000, and let's say you want to upload your designs. Let's say, just as an example, obviously they got their own mock-ups here. This is a Gildan 5000. You know what you're getting. Now, what you could do, look, these are your providers, right? Depending on which provider you use to do your product. You could also, which is a really, 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 really cool idea, and I think this one is amazing, but it's tricky because, if you've got a lot of listings, it's probably hard to do because it takes a bit of time and it's a bit long. But you could actually get a sample from your print providers, and then you can actually take a photo, use your camera, use your phone, just take a video, and you could use the video as well for your listing, and also take some photos of the t-shirt as well, right? You could do that. You could actually take the physical photos after you got the sample, and you could do a video of it at home after you've got the sample. Does that make sense? So you can actually get them from the providers. Let's say you're going to use a provider, yeah? Let's say use a provider. You can actually go to the provider and ask them for a sample. Now, aside from that, obviously the usual way is, so when you do your design, let's say you're going to do your design, right? So let's start designing. Let's go to my library. So let's say you want to get a design, man. Let's get a design. Okay, so let's say you get a design. Make sure that resolution is good. Yeah, high res, that's fine. That one's a high res. Okay, so make sure it's a high res one. I want it to sit. That's it, yeah, just about sits. Yeah, that's right. And yeah, so say product, and obviously you've got these mock-ups. You got the Printify mock-ups, like these ones. You got the Printify, you got these kind of mock-ups, right? And people like these, people don't, people say they're not great. But you know what? These are cool too. So this is another sort of mock-up method that you could use. That is another method that you could use, okay? But look, so there's actually a few. You got Etsy, you got Midjourney, you got PlaceIt, you got also getting a sample with a photo, and then you also got Printify. So that's 5 ways, guys. 5 different ways of getting mockups. Now, but let's go back very quickly. Let's just go to t-shirt, right? Let's go to t-shirt. Let's say book lover t-shirt. Okay, let's go to specifics. Or skull t-shirt. People like that. Skulls and roses and flowers and all of them things. Yeah, so what you can do is, personally what I'll do is think about the niche that you want to get into, right? think about the niche that you want to get. It's going to give you like a little bonus now. Think about the niche you want to get into in terms of your selling, right? Think about the niche. Look at it. So let's say you're looking at book lovers. Just say for example, you're looking at book lovers and you're looking at the t-shirts for book lovers. Look. So what you do is you look at what's selling well. Look at the type of designs that are being sold. Look at the design style. Look at this one. This one pretty good. That's, well, you need to go into that. But so let's go first of all. Let's do funny t-shirt, right? Funny t-shirt, man. Okay, so I just jumped on EVERBEE, my go-to nugget finder, diamond finder. Now, what's interesting about this is, what's it got to do with mockups? Well, the thing is, if I look at some new listings using EVERBEE, right? Check out the link is just there. If I go very quickly and look at 2-month-old listings, right? Maximum 2-month-old. Very recent listings. Now, listen, the conversion of your main image is massively important, right? So that mockup is massively important. Now, this is a 2-month-old listing. I'll just show you very quickly. It's making $9,000. Yeah. Here's another one. I refuse, 1-month-old listing. Right. This is just a simple style. This one is a different one, which is like a custom one. That's a custom face. Funny. 5,000. This one's a funny nurse t-shirt, making $4,000 per month. Now, I'm starting to see a pattern. Right. There's a pattern appearing here, guys. And I can see the one from the top 1, 2, 3, from the top 5 images, there are similarities, guys. And this is what you really got to understand with this. So what I'm trying to say is, let me just explain what the similarities are from what I see from myself. Okay. So the kind of mock-ups that you really need to focus on are these ones where you're not seeing the face, but actually it's from the neck and down to the kind of hip area. And it's focused on, the image is focused on the actual design itself, real close. And there's some nice, interesting, nice background. Yeah. So there are similarities in terms of the style. Look, it's a bestseller, boom. 20+ in a basket, boom. It's a new listing. So these are little tips and hints what kind of mock-ups to use. So not only where you can do your mock-ups, what the type of image you need to have as your main listing to make that amazing passive income. But I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to leave it there. Check out my other videos on how-tos and all of that with Etsy. And hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And don't forget share, because we love sharing, guys.